Welcome back my YouTube channel Old Coin Z Collection. Today, we dive into the fascinating story of a 2003 Chinese 1 Jiao coin that has stunned collectors around the world with its rumored value of $12.5 million. Yes, you heard that right. This small aluminum coin might just be worth a fortune. But is it true? Let's uncover the truth behind this claim, its history, and why it's so sought after. Rarity common, a country, China. People's Republic, 1999. 2024 currency, Chinese yuan coin type, circulation, coins denomination, 1 Jiao currency, rate 0 Chinese yuan, and 10 cents equals 0.01 USD. 2003 composition, aluminium edge type, smooth shape, round alignment metal, 0 degrees. Weight G, 1.12 diameter, mm. 19 thickness, mm. 1.9. The 1 Jiao coin, part of China's renminbi currency, is a minor coin often overlooked due to its low face value. But not the 2003 edition. This coin, made of aluminum and featuring a peony flower on one side and the national emblem of China on the other, was part of a series minted by the People's Bank of China. So why is this specific year so important? Unlike other years, the 2003 Jiao coin was reportedly minted in extremely small quantities for circulation in specific provinces. This scarcity, combined with the speculation of mint errors, made collectors rush to own one. Now, let's address the elephant in the room: the jaw-dropping $12.5 million value claim. According to some unverified sources, a specific 2003 1 Jiao coin with a rare mint error was reportedly sold for this astronomical price at a private auction. But why? Here are some possible reasons. Coins with double strikes or off-center designs fetch high prices in auctions. Could the 2003 Jiao coin have such a rare error that a small mintage increases demand among collectors? Stories and rumors sometimes inflate a coin's perceived value. Some experts argue that these rumors are fueled by speculative traders and not actual verified auction results. Could this coin's value be exaggerated? Or is there a real market for it? We'll explore this next. If you're lucky enough to own a 2003 1 Jiao coin, here's how to identify it. Look for the year 2003 under the peony flower. Compare with other 1 Jiao coins. It should weigh about 1 gram and have a diameter of 19 mm. Check for double strikes, misalignments, or unusual markings. Remember, authenticity is key. Always have your coin certified by a trusted authority like PCGS or NGC before selling or buying. So, is the 2003 1 Jiao really worth $12.5 million? The truth is, while some coins might sell for extraordinary amounts due to unique features, most 2003 1 Jiao coins are valued between $500 and $1,000, depending on their condition and certification. The $12.5 million claim is likely an exaggeration or linked to a unique historical context that hasn't been verified. Always verify claims before jumping into conclusions. The coin market can be full of surprises and scams. While it's unlikely your 2003 Jiao coin is worth millions, it could still fetch a handsome price if it has the right attributes. And that wraps up today's episode of Old Coin Z Collection. The 2003 1 Jiao coin remains a fascinating piece for collectors, regardless of the rumors. Do you have one in your collection? Share your stories in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible coin stories.